ploughing the lawn, ploughing the field there, both noses dipping. Crikey. Yes, that's right, it's Joe here for Joyrider TV, back with Ben, and yeah, it's the shakedown of Bad Boy 94, the new look with the newly rebuilt mast, first time out. All right, we're gonna go out, do some laps. So here we go, Traveller in the middle. We've got the Allen Dynamic 60s on as the main sheet. My trapeze is a little lengthy to start with. There's Phil with the money. Just go drop down a little bit. Nice, all right, there we go, go in now. Is there a bit more downhaul available? What was that?
Seems okay.
Yeah, I think it was just the...
Went past the roller.
Oh, okay, it's just going past the boom.
Yeah. Gliding it along for me. So have a look at that.
Yeah, no probs. Yeah, it's pretty windy. Good to get one kite running before we have to...
It's lovely. So nice and wide.
Any more on the downhaul at all? Yeah, we're flying the hull a little bit high here for optimal performance. All right, yeah, so that's a little bit low for optimal performance. Because, yeah, maybe we've got to set up for a bit of power. You're not wrong. Oh.
Have a lull behind.
Okay. There we go.
Are you smiling, Joe?
Yeah, I am actually.
Okay, good.
Yeah, it felt good there for a second.
Checking that was happening.
Yeah.
Wind's there for a mile.
Yeah, got him. So we'll just take it off the wind a little bit if you come back. Yeah, it's feeling pretty windy. Say it must be at least 12 knots of wind, maybe gusting 13. Okay, and yes, it's time to put the kite up. So we'll take this one a little bit leisurely just to make sure it all works. So you go back onto the boat if you want. Okay, yeah. Okay. We'll just ease the downhaul off a bit as well. Woo! All right, here we go. Here comes the bear away. Whoa! Okay. All right, main sheet is in. Okay, yeah. Okay. Okay. Bit breezy for this, for the first time out, but you've got to do what you've got to do, so they said. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right, so just holding it steady here, not trying to power it up too much, because that might be a bit too emotional in this breeze. I reckon, strictly speaking, the wind is probably at high 20s. Crikey. Oh, we are ripping there. Oh, as in ripping going fast rather than tearing something. My word, this is fast. How you feeling, Ben? Yeah. Okay, yeah, just try and make all the rudder movements very small. Main sheet is really pinned in to look after that mast. Oh, a bit of chop, but not steering for the chop, just steering for the gusts. There is some breeze on here today. All right, bit of a hole, but it's the gust the other side that is going to bring about the stuff. Okay, we should go for a jibe really, shouldn't we? Okay. All right, yep. So when you're ready? Ready. Okay, we're going there. Nice. And Agio Philly Beach. Okay, we're going to have to call that a run, so let's drop it now anyway. Okay, yeah. All right. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, go for it whenever you're ready. Okay, I'm just going to take her up onto the wind. And then, yeah, all right, you could just sort that out. Oh, down there. Okay, yeah, so we've just got a bit of rope infringement in the spinnaker sheet block. Whew. That was a good first run. And we got the jibe in, which was nice. We really do need some marks on the rotation line, don't we? Yeah. It's high wind start, countdown, here we go. This is a no facilities exercise. All right, so we're just coming up on the line, and there's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, bearing away a bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nailed that one.
So, we're first,
it's so much easier with no start line, no boat, no one watching.
Imagine we're in lovely Basiliki every time.
Oh, it feels much nicer actually, yeah, with those travellers out, just a smidge. The rudders feel absolutely fantastic.
Good.
So light and twitchy, which you'd think on a big boat like this wouldn't be the way, but it is the way.
welcoming you back home.
Yeah, with a good time. Yeah, good jib choice from Ben. I said, shall we take the white one, which is the only race-worthy jib we have? Ben said no, and I'm glad about that.
See her in the world. Let's have a few tacks, shall we?
Yeah, okay.
1, 2.
All right, so I'll do the countdown. The first one, we'll do a countdown from 5, yep. And we'll go on 0. Okay, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we'll go there. Okay, not the best, but it was the first one. Yeah, people do sometimes ask me why on the Tornado do I have the Hobie J&H trapezes. It's just because they're so much easier to grab and hook into, I find, in my experience.
Home turf.
Woo. Okay, feeling a bit of power on there. Second lap of we'll see how many lap race it is. Maybe when we get to the leeward mark the next time, we'll balance the downhaul. That'll fix it, won't it? Because you're right on the shot cord there.
Yeah, I saw that.
Yeah. Is there any jib sheets that can come in? So counterintuitive, sheeting in the jib helps to take off a bit of the heeling force by just flattening it off a bit, but with this jib, which isn't the right one, it's very difficult to actually get it to flatten off. Sorry. All right, just entering the gusty zone. There we are, as advertised. At least the windsurfers aren't out of bed yet.
Gustily.
How's the traction from your new Mystic footwear, Ben?
Lovely, lovely traction.
Yeah, Mystic footwear, great traction.
Bought from my lovely mother.
Ah,
This one's for Mum.
shout out Ben's mum. Long-time supporter of all of Benny's campaigns.
Not all.
All right, most. All right, some, the daytime ones.
Just coming.
All right, big header there. All right, I've heard the windward mark is quite close to the end of the road. Okay, so I think this time we're obviously gonna be tacking and then putting the kite up, pretty much. Yeah. So maybe you could ease the jib off a little bit now. It's just backwinding the first bit of the main since we started reaching off a bit.
Yellow marker first.
Okay, yeah, it's a bit small. Okay, in fact, let's go down a little bit. Yep. Crikey. She's got some power, the Tornado. Holy shit. She's got some power. All right. All right, this is not, I think, it's not the best windward mark because of the traffic or potential traffic. Okay, so just coming up again, getting ready for the tack. Right, you ready to tack, Ben? All right, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Oh. Okay, and we're pretty close So go stay on the boat. So jib off, rotation off, downhaul off. Okay, not the most glamorous mark rounding. Okay, going for the bear away there. And try to get her, whoa, down the flipping mine shaft. All right, yeah, all right. Okay, there's just a dinghy capsized that if we have to capsize, if we have to jibe, sorry, bear away, that's the word. Okay, yeah, go for it. All right. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Okay, slightly shorter leg this time because we've got less bay. All right, you good? Made, okay, that's good. Yeah, we got a, part of the training is confirming some jargon, some vernacular, some words. Oh my God, not in the ear. Nobody wants a flying fish in the ear. That can sting a bit. Gaston! Woohoo! Oh yeah, we're cooking a bit more now. It's a nice bit of cooking from Benny. He's stirring with the big ladle. This is the game that everybody wants to be playing this summer. It's tornado, high wind, downwind, mega boost. It's all down to the nicely trimmed spinnaker, I'd say, Ben. Okay, we should go for a jibe shortly. Yeah, okay, whenever you're ready. All right, just say when you're ready. Okay, and we'll go there. All right, time for a little bit of trapeze on this side, I think. All right, so if you're thinking why and how is it possible to jibe with no mainsail slam in this amount of wind, it's because with the kite up, the jibing angle is so small that by the time we get to the point where the main comes across, we've only turned a few degrees, so we haven't lost any speed. All right, I think we should prepare to drop. Yeah, coming up to the leeward mark. Okay. So remember, you can do the halyard through the block. Okay. Grabbing the stick. All right, yeah, good. And as soon as you got it down, if you could pull the rotation on. Okay, and I'm out on the wire already for heading up for a bit more control. And there we go, great drop there from Ben. He dropped that like it was hot. Yeah, all right, we should go for a tack. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Grabbing the J and H. Oh yeah. Bit premature. Here we go. So if you've made it this far through the video, I think it's time to say, please support the campaign for me and Ben to get to the Tornado Worlds. It's only next week. Whoa! All right, can you grab the traveller line? Okay, just testing the auto dump feature. Yeah, you could just pull it in all the way. It's good, better have to use both hands to do that. Okay, yeah, I think the boat didn't like it was even being suggested that we weren't going to the Worlds. Okay, don't worry boat, we are going to the Worlds. But to help us get there and to help buy replacement parts for the boat, we have got a fundraiser running. Just to hit the link on the screen that you can see now, you know, the way I see it is Joyrider TV has got 40,000 subscribers.
Really?
That's a lot.
Wow!
And if everyone just chipped in 50 cents,
that would be a lot.
we might be able to get something else that's new. That would certainly cover the entry fee. Oh, wind's gone a little bit guffy just down here in the guffy zone. All right, what's that I heard you say? Why don't you give the main to Ben? Ben, a gift. I'll just be on safety a little bit, just in case your gloves are a bit. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, no cross legs though, please. I can't do it. I'll move over there. Who is this guy? All right, settled now, settled. How do you like that, Ben? Do you feel racy? Yeah.
Still as strong as go.
That's good, you've got an extra hand though.
Yeah.
Looking over the shoulder for traffic. Yeah, we're just being headed there a bit. So I'm going to chuck the traveller line in. Whoop. Oh, this rope from Robline is very light, which is good, except, here you go, I've got the main sheet. Except it gets blown away by the wind. Okay, you ready for the countdown? Ready. Okay, and we're tacking in 3, 2, 1, and there we go. Standing up for a quicker transition across the boat. Woo. Grab the handle. Oh. Okay, and I'm coming back to get out. So coming back on the trapeze to get out when it's here you go. You got it? Yep. When you've got quite a long trapeze line, coming back a bit helps because it effectively shortens the trapeze line, so less danger of the accidental unhooking. All right, getting settled. So, Benny getting settled. I'm just thinking, Benny, don't let go of the main sheet, please. Because that would be quite the splash. All right, the windward mark on the last time is just next to Barbie Beach. Yeah. Yeah, I thought the windward mark last time, they moved it because of too many windsurfers potentially just heading out. Doing my tidying up now, nice and early. Okay, I'll take the main sheet. Got it. Okay, ready for the tack in 3, 2, 1, and we're going there. Gosh, the Allen 60 Robline 8mm combo really does sheet out very swiftly. Crikey! Oh, we found some wind. Yeah, so probably if you can, I would think sheet out the jib from on the wire. Yeah, so you could do that now if you want. Okay, nice. Okay, then you can move in and start making your preparations. And I'm going to do a fairly hectic bear away. So So I'm getting to the back for the bear away in the tow strap. Okay, here comes the bear away, fairly hectic. Moving into the boat, getting around the corner. Fairly hectic, yeah, as advertised. Get the main sheet back in. Okay, yeah, good. Yeah. Main sheet cranked. Both to look after the mast and for the airflow. Maybe my fairly hectic bear away left the trapeze in a little bit of a mess. Okay, say when you're ready. All right, made. Here we go. Leaves are on the line. All right, here we go. Don't know what that means. Main sheet in the water, which just happened, is not a pretty sight because it takes your attention off steering the boat. And in this wind, steering the boat is reasonably important. Here we go, next gust. Gosh, shame we haven't got a GPS today. I reckon we'd have been on the speed stick. Okay, sort of ready. Okay, should we go for a jibe fairly soon? Maybe after this gust? Yeah. Okay, yeah, just say when you're ready. Okay, put it in there. Yeah, and then on the exit of the jibe, I'm just easing, don't know, less than a foot of main sheet, just to help the mast to rotate. There goes Circus Performer Ben, back onto the flying, made onto the flying trapeze. Oh, that's the one, crikey. Warp speed engaged. Yeah, that is faster than we've been all day, I reckon, maybe. That's good, we needed a ferry rush. Whew.
Wash off that wind.
This is the full hammer. Yeah, I think we might be in the other side, gusty bit. Okay, yeah, do you want to come in and we'll drop it? Okay. Okay. Looks, it's, okay, yeah, it's caught round the mast rotation on the wrong side. The halyard, you might just have to flick it off. Yeah, just if you reach round to the front of the spanner bar, that's it. There goes Benny with the tack line release, and rotation comes back on. I'm out on the wire for the head up. Again, good for the video as well, I think you'll find, to be able to see the whole boat as she comes up like that. Marvellous. Yeehaw! There's Benny. Back on the trapeze. Boat's doing a great job. Well done, Bad Boy 94. Well done to Costas at KP Marine Engineering. I think, you know, the time when you're going to worry about a freshly repaired mast has got to be the first time out in high 20s. And so far, so good. Benny's looking for the join. Yeah, if he can.
I mean, he's done such a good job.
Oh no, yeah. And yeah, the paint job, we had a chat about this. The paint job isn't perfect. You can see bits of darkness, like it's, what do they call it? Shabby chic, or, is that what they call it? It's because to coat the whole mast was 800 grams, so to do another coat would have been more. And the main intention of the paint job is... Okay, here we are, next marker. The intention of the paint job isn't only for it to look cool, but also for UV protection. All right, we should go for attack, really. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Okay, need to get the toe straps held up a little bit better. We are going to do another kite run because we need to hit the media boat with the kite up, not literally. So it'll be hoist and jibe immediately, I should think.
All the shots, but...
Hello down there. Woo. That's good.
Your mum's favourite?
I don't know, yeah, I think most mums' favourite. Yeah. In fact, ladies. Some weird people like the green triangle.
Oh.
I know. What? Okay, let's go for it, I reckon.
Yeah.
Because my hand is tiring. Right, coming for the big excitable bear away. Oh, no, I'm not. Yeah. Oh. Ploughing the lawn, ploughing the field there, both noses. Dipping, crikey. That was a flipping great moment in rock and roll. All right, yeah. All right, and we'll have to jibe straight away once we've got some speed on.
Ready for a jibe?
Okay, we just need to get it going a little bit first.
That was proper ploughing the field.
Yeah, switching like a rabbit's nose. Okay, you ready? Okay, hold on. We'll just come out of this gust. All right, yeah, let's just go there. All right, here we go. So much more unstable until we get her up to speed. Looks like we're not going to get anywhere near the media boat, but so it's quite a good learning point that actually, when it's windy, jibing straight away, it's just going to be a little bit more sketchy. So if it was really strong wind, it's a little bit more sketchy, just something to note. Oh. Okay, and once we get out of this gust, we'll drop it. Oh, sorry. Just a bit excited there. This is so fast. Okay, that'll do. Okay, yeah, ready. Okay. Lovely. I think it's one of my favourite bits is the out on the trapeze downwind to upwind transition. Very satisfying.
It's quite a nervous bit for me because I could go either
Yeah.
sliding off or out the middle.
Yeah, well, you've got two. At least you've got choice.
Got to figure out where the boat is at the time, balance-wise.
So there's that bunch of flowers we were talking about.
Yeah.
I think what that's called is we spoke too soon. Yeah. Okay, so there we go. I think we'll call that a thing unless something happens. Thanks for coming with us on the Shakedown. Great job, Benny.
Great job, Joe.
Great job, Costas, with the mast.
Great job, bad boy 9.
Yeah, great job to the boat. Great job, Thanos.